Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Sharon, and please consider subscribing for more amazing content. So in today's video, I want to show you guys how you can shop from your Aliexpress app and ship directly to Nigeria in less than 10 days. So if you feel this is something you're interested in, then please keep on watching. So I already have the AliExpress app on my phone. The first thing that you basically want to do is to go download it from your Apple Store or your Google Play Store. Okay, so when you already have the app downloaded on your phone, then you can proceed to creating an account. So I'm going to start to screen record what I'm doing now so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Yeah, so I already have this app on my phone, so I don't need to go through all of that stress. My AliExpress app, this is what it's looking like. And the first thing that you want to do is to open an account. You can go on the account area and you see sign in. So if you already have an account with them, all you just have to do is to log in. But if you don't, you can create an account. So I'm going to just sign in. So that's my I'm just going to enter my password and then sign in. Okay, yeah, so that's my account. So the first thing that you want to do when you want to place an order as a newbie, like for someone who doesn't really know what this app is all about, okay, you have your home, you have your feed, you have messages, you have your cart, and you also have your account. Okay, so let's assume that you're a first timer on this app and you want to shop or you want to buy something and you want to buy something to import down to Nigeria. What are you going to do? So you go to the home and you basically just want to search for whatever it is that you want to buy. Let's just say, okay, bags. Let's search for bags. Search bags. Click on search and it's loading. So you can see different types of bags. So you can basically just pick the one you want. Okay, you want to continue scrolling till you find the bag, that particular bag that you want. Or if you already have a picture of this bag and you want the search to be easy for you, you can just basically click on the camera icon there. And if you want to take a photo of the stuff that you want to search for, you can take the photo, or you can just go straight to your album to pick any photo on your page that you want to upload. So let me just quickly scroll down and let's say I can just pick a photo. So you can see now that it actually scanned that picture and it brought out all of the items, all of the related items with that same pictures, as you can see. So that's that for searching with image. So you can also just input what you want to search for in the search bar, and it will just pop up and you get to find what you want to buy. So let's assume now that, okay, I like this bag, so I'm gonna click on the bag and be like, okay. So the first thing that you want to do, the first thing I always do when I click on an item that I feel I like, I check the price. If the price is something I can work with, if it's something I'm okay with, then I go right ahead to proceed with buying the item. So now that I already like the price, I'm okay with the price, I would want to scroll down to see reviews of that bag to be sure that, okay, the quality is good and I don't have anything to worry about. So I'm going to click on reviews now and basically just scroll through the reviews that other persons who have purchased this bag dropped on the page. So you can see that this one has a really good review. This one has really good reviews. It has 49, it has 67 rating in total, and 49 of that 67 persons gave the bag a 5 star. So that's to tell you that it's really good. Like if 49 out of 67 persons actually gave it 5 star, it means it's actually good. 15 gave it 4 stars. So that's okay. So you can basically just scroll through to see the photos that people uploaded, just to be sure that, okay, the quality is exactly what you're seeing on the photo. So now that we are okay with the review, you want to go back. Oh, sorry. You want to go back to the main page and then scroll down So if you want to pay directly, all you just have to do is to click on add to cart if you want to add it to your cart first, or click on buy now if you want to buy immediately, okay? But for those of us in Nigeria that are having card issues, if you have a domiciliary account card, you can go right ahead to buy directly from the app. Okay, so you can click on buy now and pick the color you want. So let's say I pick black. Quantity, if you want one, you can buy one. If you want more than one, you can click on whatever number of quantity you want, and then click on continue. So I already have my card. Like if you create your account, you're going to also enter your address. So this is one issue I have with the AliExpress app. You cannot change the address to a Chinese address, okay? Because if you're shipping through your agent, you have to change the address there so that they don't charge you for shipping to Nigeria. But that's one issue here. You can't change it to a China address. Sorry, not Chinese address, a China address. But that's not an issue because you can, like I said, you can chat up with your supplier and tell them where you want them to ship the item to. I already have my card here. I already linked my card to my account. So that you would also want to do when you are registering your account. So now you just want to go to pay now, click on pay now, and then finalize your payment. After you make your payments, you can go back to chats, and when you go to chats, you send the bag, you click on send and send the bag to the supplier, and then drop whatever message you want to drop. You can basically tell the supplier, oh, I want to order this bag, but I don't want it to be shipped to the address that is on my account. Okay, I have a personal freight forwarder in China or an agent in China that I want you to ship these bags to, so they can ship it to me. So just basically drop whatever message you want to drop. Like, like I said, communicate with your supplier, whatever thing you want to tell them, you tell them. And if you're not paying directly, you can also ask them for their means of payment. If your agent's making the payment for you, if your agent uses Alipay or direct bank transfer, you can ask the supplier for the information and just drop it, and boom, you guys will chat. So you want to know that there's 7 hours difference in our time. Like I think there are 7 hours ahead of us. So you want to be awake when they're awake, so that you can have a smooth communication with them, because you can't be messaging them when they are sleeping and you expect them to reply you fast because they are sleeping. Okay, so you just want to do the calculation just so you know when it's the right time to chat them up. You want to always go back to your chat page or your messages page to check if you've received any message from your supplier, and then just communicate with them. So you also have the filter option to make your search easy. So if you're searching for a bag and you're not seeing what you're searching for and you don't have a photo, you can basically just go to the search to the filter option to make your search easy. Click on the category luggages and bags. If you want bags with free shipping, you can click on free shipping. If you have a price in mind that you're working with, you can click on the price and input whatever price it is that you want. Let's say minimum 1,000, maximum 2,000 naira. The bags they should be showing you should be within this price range. Then you can click on colors, whatever you want to click on, and then when you're done, you click on done, and it's going to filter all the options, all the search options that is giving you, and you basically just see the ones that are related to what you want. Okay, and then you scroll down till you find the particular bag that you're looking for. So we are done with that. What next? So if you also see an item you like and you're not ready to purchase the item now, save it for future buy. I just basically click on the item and you see this small heart icon here. So you can just click on that and it's going to save it to your wish list. So I already have some wish list saved. So I can just easily click on the wish list I want it to be saved to, or you can create a new wish list, which is the create a new wish list icon that you can see here, and just basically write what you want to be. Let's say bags, and then click on OK, and you're good to go. So that's basically that. Is that easy? Okay, so let's take the step one more time. You want an item, you click on the search icon, you input what you're looking for. Let's say bags. Okay, you see a bag you like, you click on the bag. If you want to buy directly on the app, you either add to your cart, or you click on buy now and you make your purchase. Or if you are paying through an agent, you click on the chat icon, send the bag to the supplier, and then drop whatever message you want to drop. Or you can also click on the store icon to go to the supplier store to see if the supplier has other bags that you'll be interested in. Like, because like I said in one of my videos, it's really easier and better to buy all the things you need from a particular supplier. So it's better to buy 10 bags from 10 different type of bags from a particular supplier than buying one bag each from different supplier. That is going to um make you spend a lot of money shipping the items to your agent. So it's better to just have one supplier that has all the items you're looking for than buying from different suppliers. Okay, so when you click on stores, it will take you directly to the supplier store, and when you go directly to the supplier store, you can see all the items the supplier have for sale. And if you're interested in any other item, you can buy. Or if you don't want to go through this stress, you can basically just ask the supplier to send you pictures of other bags that they have that you might be interested in. Okay, so this video this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section below. Also, subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. See you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, and bye.